Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English by English. This is a video about the present continuous tense. Okay, let's start our video. Okay, shall we look at what is the structure of present continuous tense? It is subject plus am is a plus verb ing plus object plus rest. The subject is I, use am. The subject is he, she, it or any other singular subject, use is. The subject is we, you, they or any other plural subject, use with a. Okay, shall we move to the look at example? My first example is they are playing cricket now. In this sentence, they is subject, then use are. Playing is verb ing, cricket is the object of the sentence, now is the rest of the sentence. Okay, the second example is he is writing a letter. In this sentence, he is subject, then use is. Writing use as verb ing. A letter is the object of the sentence. Okay, shall we move to look at how to make verb ing? We can make verb ing simply adding ing to infinitive verb. But there are some rules in adding verb ing. They are, if verb is ended with e, then remove e and add ing. As examples, come, commit, drive, driving. These verbs are ended with e, but to make verb ing, remove e and add ing. Second rule is, if verb ended with ie, then remove ie and add y plus ing. Example, lie, light, die, dine. Third one is, if verb ended with consonant letter, then vowel letter, then consonant letter, then double last letter and add ing. Examples are run, running, begin, beginning, likewise. Okay, shall we move to look at how to make negative form of present continuous tense? The negative form structure is present continuous tense, subject plus am is are not plus verb ing plus object plus rest. Then we can use is not as isn't and are not as aren't as the short form. Okay, shall we look at some examples? I am not eating rice. In this sentence, I is subject, then use am not. Eating is verb ing. Rice is the object of the sentence. He is not reading a book. In this sentence, he is subject, then use is not. Reading is the verb ing. A book is the object of the sentence. Okay, then shall we move to that the question form of present continuous tense. The question form structure is am is a plus subject plus verb ing plus object plus rest. As an example, he is going to school. The sentence pursues is, then use he as subject, then use going as verb ing to school is the object of the sentence. Are you doing your homework? In this sentence, first use are. You is the subject of the sentence. Doing is verb ing. Your homework is the object of the sentence. Okay, shall we move to other important part of our lesson? It is usage of present continuous tense. The first usage is we want to talk about something is going on at the time of speaking. In that time we use the present continuous tense. Examples are she is reading a book. I am studying now. Then we can use the present continuous tense to talk about temporary situation. Examples are he is studying with her friends for a week. He is working in office for a month. These are temporary situation, not permanent situation. And also use the present continuous tense with to talk about temporary or new habit. He is eating too much these days. He is smoking too much. Example for it. In this time, these habits are not permanent, only temporary habit. In that time, we use the present continuous tense. And also the present continuous tense used with habits that are not regular but that happen very often. In this case, we usually use an adverb like always, forever and constantly. Examples are he is constantly missing train. She is always smiling. To talk about people in picture and photo, in that time also use present continuous tense. Examples are in picture, a man is swimming in the river. In picture, a boy is walking on the road. And also the present continuous tense used with the definite future arrangement. Examples are I am meeting my old friend tomorrow. We are going to beach at the weekend. Likewise. Okay, shall we move to the passive voice of present continuous tense? In passive voice, there is no subject, and also we want to tell something without subject or subject is not important. In that time, use passive voice. The present continuous tense passive voice structure is object am is being plus verb past participle plus rest. Example for the passive voice are English is being learned, the classroom is being cleaned. In first sentence, English is object, then use is, then use being, learn is verb past participle. The second sentence, the classroom is object, then use is, then use being, clean is the verb past participle. Okay, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon for more, like my Facebook page. If you have any question, drop a comment on comment section.